Hello kids, how are you? Let's learn about colors. Tell me, which color is this? Green color. Black color. Violet color. Sky blue color. Red color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So kids, today we are going to learn A to Z, or we can call it A to Z. I have something. Look at this. What is this? It's A. A. A is for apple. Right here. A. A is for apple. And next letter is B. B is for ball. B is for ball. Very good. Next letter is C. C. C is for cat. C is for cat. C is for cat. Next letter is D. D. D is for dog. D is for dog. Next letter is E. E. E is for elephant. E is for elephant. Very good. Next letter is F. F is for fish. F is for fish. Very good. And next letter is G. G. G is for grapes. G is for grapes. Very good. Yes. Next letter is H. H. H is for hen. H is for hen. Very good. Next letter is I. I. I is for ice cream. I is for ice cream. Next letter is J. J. J is for jug. J is for jug. And next letter is K. K. K is for kite. K is for kite. Very good. Next letter is L. L. L is for lion. L is for lion. Very good. And next letter is M. M is for monkey. M is for monkey. And next letter is What comes after M? N. N. N is for nose. N is for nose. And next letter is O. O. O is for owl. O is for owl. And next is P. P. P is for parrot. P is for parrot. Next is Q. Q. Q is for queen. Q is for queen. And next is R. R is for red. R is for red. And next letter is S. S. S is for sunflower. S is for sunflower. And next is T. T. T is for tiger. T is for tiger. And next letter is coming here. It's U. U. U is for umbrella. U is for umbrella. And next letter is V. V. V is for van. V is for van. And next letter is W. W is for watch. It's a watch. And next is X. X. X is for X-ray. X is for X-ray. And next letter is Y. Y is for yak. Y is for yak. And last letter is Z. Z is for zebra. Z is for zebra. Yay! Very good. Letter A. A. Next is B. Next letter is C. And next is U. D. And next letter is E. And what comes after E? F. It's F. What comes after F? G. It's a G. And next is H. H. And now I. It's a letter I. And next letter is J. It's a J. J. And next is K. L. Where is L? It's here. L. And next letter is M. M is here. Next is N. N. O. O. Where is P? P is here. Next is Q. It's Q. R. R. S. S. And T. Next is U. It's a U. And where is V? V is here. And next is W. It's a W. X, X, and Y. Last is Z. Very good. I hope you liked this video, kids. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye. See you in the next class.